Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Himanshu Nagarkar. I hope everyone is quarantined, locked down and safe. Ensure you don't get out of your house and just stay indoors. So I thought, there has been my list of 7 things that I do for 7 days in a week. I thought why not share it with everyone. So this video is 7 things you do during the quarantine for 7 days in a week. There is one thing for every day. Let's start. Monday. The Monday blues are not there anymore because most of us don't even realize which day it is. On Monday, what can be done is there has been a lot of courses that have been offered online. For example, Udemy, Coursera, YouTube tutorials, they are offering a lot of courses. And the best part is because of this lockdown period, they have opened all their paid courses absolutely free of cost. Yes, you heard me right. Oxford, Harvard, and a lot of the skilled professionals out there are giving each and every course that has been paid before free of cost. Utilize this Monday to learn something with regards to your business, profession. If you're a student, acquire some skill online that will help you for your student life. So Coursera and Udemy, subscribe to it, and on every Monday you listen to the tutorials, take out notes and learn something out of it. So Monday is the day for learning. It can be from Coursera, Udemy or YouTube tutorials. Tuesday, after the day of learning, Tuesday is going to be a little fun day, chill day. On Tuesday, what can be done is you can paint, you can draw or you can color. Yeah, see, painting, drawing and coloring is a lot to do with your right brain activity. On Monday, you have done a lot of left brain. On Tuesday, you do a lot of right brain activity. It really helps you a lot in staying calm and composed. Yeah, that unnecessary anger and irritation, stress and anxiety that gets built up during this lockdown period, Tuesday will help you settle that. But there have been so many friends, who do not like coloring, painting or drawing. So for them, what can be done is the replacement for coloring, drawing and painting is clean your house. Yeah, the regular cleaning that we do, that happens every day, but arranging your shelves, all the things that have been out, keeping it back to its place, all these things can happen on a Tuesday. A scientific research says that cleaning does something again to do with the right brain activity. So on Tuesday, if you don't like coloring, drawing or painting, do cleaning. Wednesday, my favorite day. Wednesday is the day for music. On Wednesday, you listen to a lot of music. My personal favorite is the Western classical and the Indian classical. In fact, the Opera House has released its 48 hours live on YouTube absolutely free of cost. Yeah, you can listen to it. You can listen to Andre Rieu. If you are listening to the Indian classical music, there have been so many of them who are offering a lot of music live. Yeah, and interestingly, a lot of those channels who had the subscription fee before, now during this lockdown period, they have opened it. So listen to the music, whichever music you like, listen to it on a Wednesday. Thursday is the movie time. Yes, a lot of you have been waiting, when will I say a movie time? That's on Thursday. What I suggest is do not do a lot of binge watching throughout the week. See, what happens is if you give a lot of screen times, out of 5, 3 senses gets blocked. It's your eyesight, it's your hearing and then the sense. Yeah, if 3 senses gets locked down for a lot of time, for a lot of period, what happens is your brain gets tired. Yeah, so a lot of binge watching is absolutely a no-no. On Thursday, how much ever movie you want, how much ever binge watching you want to do, go for it. Yeah, but keep it only once in a day, once in a week. That's a Thursday, because when you will get out of this lockdown period, the quantified amount of screen time will help you come out of the lockdown in a much better way. Friday. Friday is the social media building content. Now, what do I mean to say by social media building content? See, rest of the time we just scroll our Instagram or just scroll our Facebook and don't do really constructive anything about it. On Friday, what you do is you make your digital presence very, very strong. Plan about it. How you want to connect yourself with the world, with the e-space, with the digital world through Facebook, through Instagram, through LinkedIn. One amazing way to connect to professional people, even though you are a student. So LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube are the ways that you can get your digital personality strong. So on Friday, definitely get into some kind of digital space. Make everything strong. You know, you have been thinking to put a lot of things on Instagram, on Facebook. Now is the time. Just upload it. Just ensure you do a lot of digital interaction. Go live on Instagram. Go live on Facebook. Talk to people. That's one way that you can make your communication very, very strong. Saturday is the day to cook. If you would have asked me 2 months before, I would have said, all right, cooking is just another thing. But during this quarantine, I have been cooking a lot, and trust me, it's a lot of fun. When you cook, you don't get any thoughts in your brain. At least that's what happened with me. You only are into that particular thing. So plan the breakfast, plan the lunch, plan the dinner, and cook. Ensure that after cooking, you do not tell your family members to clean it. You clean it all by yourself. So Saturday, do a lot of cooking. Do some nice mocktails. Do some some juice, fruits. Do something nice with the food. That will make you really happy. After the whole of Saturday, you are definitely going to get tired. So Sunday, as I said, just rest and do nothing. So these are the 7 things that you should do for 7 days in a week. On top of this, if you ask me something that needs to be done daily, first thing is meditate twice in a day. Once in the morning, once in the evening. My personal recommendation is the guided meditation by Shri Shri Ravi Shankar ji. He guides you into meditation and it's really good. Maybe initially you may find it a little difficult, but trust me, it's going to be all easy after 2-3 days. So every day, meditate twice in a day from Monday to Sunday. Second thing that you must do every day is exercise. Exercise for 45 minutes. What to exercise? I've already uploaded a video. Definitely watch that video, and that's my recommendation of what to exercise. And last but not the least, 2 things. These are just the one-time thing, but you should do this during the quarantine. First is learn the skill of mind map. What it is, go online, check it out, but learn to do a mind map. It's a very useful thing. And second thing, make a vision. I'll probably make a video on how to make a vision. Stay connected. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any other inputs on what to do during this lockdown, definitely comment it in the comment section, so that I also get some creative idea. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching Himanshu Nagarkar. Press the bell icon so that every time I upload a video, you get a notification. Thank you so much. Bye.